Hi there, let's talk about calendar today. Calendar itself is quite similar. Kalender, kalender, calendar. In Estonia, we use the Gregorian calendar since February 14, 1918. It's called the new calendar, uus kalender, uus kalender, uus kalender, and the phrase goes kuupäev uue kalendri järgi, kuupäev uue kalendri järgi, kuupäev uue kalendri järgi. Date according to the new calendar. Before that, we used the old calendar, vana kalender, vana kalender, vana kalender, the Julian calendar. It's 2 weeks behind compared to the new one. If you find a text written about that time, you may find the phrase kuupäev vana kalendri järgi, kuupäev vana kalendri järgi, kuupäev vana kalendri järgi. A year is aasta, aasta, aasta. 1 year, üks aasta, üks aasta, üks aasta. 2 years, kaks aastat, kaks aastat, kaks aastat. A month is kuu, kuu, kuu. There are 12 months in a year. Aastas on 12 kuud. Aastas on 12 kuud. Aastas on 12 kuud. And 3 months in one season. Ühes hooajas on 3 kuud. Ühes hooajas on 3 kuud. Ühes hooajas on 3 kuud. But let's go over all the months. January is jaanuar, jaanuar, jaanuar. Kesktalv, kesktalv, kesktalv. It's the first month of the year. 6th of January is kolme kuningapäev, kolme kuningapäev, kolme kuningapäev, referring to 3 wise men. Kolm is 3, kuningas is a king, and päev is a day. We always take out our Christmas trees on that day. Some places even collect them, like Tallinn Zoo. Jaanuaris, at the beginning of the month, the length of the day is 6 hours. Päeva pikkus on 6 tundi. Päeva pikkus on 6 tundi. Päeva pikkus on 6 tundi. But as the sky is oftentimes cloudy, we see the sun only for 33 hours per month. The average temperature is 3 degrees below zero. February is veebruar, 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 and hilistalv, hilistalv, hilistalv. There are many events in that month like Valentine's Day, sõbrapäev, sõbrapäev, sõbrapäev. Sõber is a friend. Shrove Tuesday, vastlapäev, vastlapäev, vastlapäev. And Estonian Independence Day, Eesti iseseisvuspäev, Eesti iseseisvuspäev, Eesti iseseisvuspäev. Veebruaris, at the beginning of the month, one day is 8 hours long and the average temperature is about 4 degrees below zero. Keskmine temperatuur on umbes -4 kraadi. Keskmine temperatuur on umbes -4 kraadi. Keskmine temperatuur on umbes -4 kraadi. You can see the sun for 63 hours. Spring begins at the end of March. March is märts. 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 Notice we don't use capital letters at the beginning of our months. March is also varakevad. 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 The snow is starting to melt. Lumi hakkab sulama. Lumi hakkab sulama. Lumi hakkab sulama. Märtsis, at the beginning of the month, a day lasts for 10.5 hours, and the average temperature is a little bit below zero. The sun is visible for 141 hours. Päikest on näha 141 tundi. Päikest on näha 141 tundi. Päikest on näha 141 tundi. April is aprill. Aprill. April. And it starts with a joking day. Basically, April is mid-spring, keskkevad, 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 but I've hardly heard it in news. The surrounding is yellowish, ümbrus on kollakas, ümbrus on kollakas, ümbrus on kollakas. There is yet no new grass and the trees are just starting to grow leaves at the end of the month. Aprillis, at the beginning of the month, the day lasts 13 hours and the average temperature is about 5 degrees. You can see the actual sun for 202 hours in April. May is Mai, 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 and also late spring, hiliskevad, hiliskevad, hiliskevad. It's very beautiful and everyone is waiting for this month. Oftentimes it's the first warm one and short skirts and dresses appear on the street. Mais, at the beginning of the month, one day is 16 hours long and the average temperature is about 10 degrees. The sun can be seen for 284 hours. Summer starts with June, juuni, juuni, juuni. Juuni is an early summer, varasuvi, varasuvi, varasuvi. In June we celebrate Midsummer Day, jaanipäev, 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 with a big bonfire, but actually the fire is made a day before jaanipäev, so we call that day jaanilaupäev, 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 and it's on June 23rd. Juunis, at the beginning of the month, one day is 18 hours long and the average temperature is 15 degrees. The sun can be seen for 275 hours. July is juuli, juuli, juuli and midsummer, kesksuvi, kesksuvi, kesksuvi. July is very bright month. The sun hardly sets and several festivals take place in July. In July, juulis, a day is over 18 hours long and the average temperature is about 18 degrees. It's the sunniest month of all and the sun is seen for about 290 hours. August is written the same way as in English. August, August. August is a late summer, hilissuvi, hilissuvi, hilissuvi. At the end of the month, bonfires are lit by the sea in many parts of Estonia. It's muinastulede öö, muinastulede öö, muinastulede öö. Augustis, at the beginning of the month, one day is 17 hours long. The average temperature is about 17 degrees and the sun is seen for 243 hours. On average, it's the rainiest month of the year. See on aasta kõige vihmasem kuu. See on aasta kõige vihmasem kuu. See on aasta kõige vihmasem kuu. Autumn begins in September and it's also written the same way here. September, September. So September is an early autumn, varasügis, varasügis, varasügis. The days are getting shorter and the academic period begins. Septembris, the day is 14 hours long and the average temperature is about 12 degrees. The sun is visible for about 157 hours. October is oktoober, oktoober. October is a mid-autumn, kesksügis, kesksügis, kesksügis. Octoberis, at the beginning of the month, one day is 11.5 hours long and the average temperature is about 7 degrees. The sun is seen less and less in October for about 85 hours. November is yet again the same. November, November. November is a late autumn, hilissügis, hilissügis, hilissügis. There are several special days in November. For spirits there is hingedepäev, hingedepäev, hingedepäev. After that, there are 2 costume days for children, mardipäev, 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 and kadripäev, 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 kadripäev. Everyone starts thinking about Christmas already. Novembris, at the beginning of the month, one day is about 9 hours long, and the average temperature is 2 degrees above zero. The sun is seen 31 hours per month. December is December, 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 and varatalv, varatalv, varatalv. It's the most magical month. It's dark, but we use small lights everywhere, so it's actually cozy and kind of indescribable to people who live in warm climates. Decembris, at the beginning of the month, a day is about 6.5 hours long, and the average temperature is 1 degree. It's the darkest month of all, and the sun is seen only for 21 hours. That's all for today. Aitäh, thank you so much for listening, and see you next time. Bye!